Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shelly. Today I would like to show you my latest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. I'm going to do an unboxing of the spring summer LV Escale model. Well, the one I ordered. Let me just say quickly that I ordered it online and I'm really pleased to be able to get one because it's a really limited edition, and since it's an unboxing, I literally normally get the bag out of the box that it's been delivered to, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I had to really get this LV bag box out of the packing box from outside the house. Oh, I did it outside the house and I just brought that one in. So it's the typical box that you can see, and from inside I already got it out. It came in that bag, and this is the beautiful bag. There are different kinds of models that I have for this LV Escale, but I mean, they have it in never full and this one is the Speedy 30. So it's basically, as you can see, it's the giant monogram on both sides, but here and on the other side are the typical size of the monogram print. It's so pretty, I have to say. The handle is pink, light pink or baby pink. So when I receive it, I have noticed that the clochette and the keys are already here attached. And I found the 3 straps of the bag, the bandouliere, attached all together inside the bag. So I really just have to put it here on the hook, attach it, and off I can go. But I can't go anywhere. I mean, I'm not going anywhere with that bag at the moment. So but it's so pretty. It also came in with that little booklet. Where is that? The little booklet here. And it even has a bundle, like the Louis Vuitton ribbon. You can see it's not used, it's still like that. Okay, it just kind of got unwinded now because from moving of the bag. So anyway, and here is the pouch which contains the padlock. And I have to say that this time the metal parts, the rivets in the zipper, and so all the metal parts, the metallic parts, are in silver color. Can you see that? It's so pretty. It's a really good contrast and kind of very nice for the spring summer. So for those who are thinking of getting it, if you still have the chance and that they're not yet sold out in your place, you should do it. It's really worth it. It's so pretty. Look at that, look at that. I'm so happy that I got one for myself. And that's it. I will be uploading next the mini pochette of the LV Escale. Well, I'm expecting it to be delivered soon, so I will make an unboxing of that one as well the moment I get it. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it, I ask you to please click the button like at the bottom, and maybe if you even want to subscribe on my channel, that would be great. So I wish you all a safe, happy day, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye for now.